Okay, we are at DR Horton. This is the actual home. They will do a December close date. They are doing a fixed 4% interest rate, and for the first year, they're gonna buy it down to a 3% interest rate. The front room's the largest bedroom that we have. Also has a walk-in closet. This is a guest bedroom. It's a little bit smaller, but it does have the walk-in closet. It could be a great study den slash guest bedroom. So that's the door to the in-law suite. Here's one of the other differences. The backyard is finished. It has a drip system, stone, and plants.
You get rid of that. The other thing with VA, once you close, you can do the application and get rid of the property tax. Oh, really? Because you're 100% disabled.
But it's not guaranteed.
If they're 100% disabled?
It's still, I come up against it being income-based as well.
So smart. But if
Okay.
you're checking, I was told it was 100% disabled. But Tyler said it's on a case-by-case basis, and probably someone will push it. I would still apply for it, yeah.
Yes, absolutely, because sometimes my people that don't qualify because they make too much income, they still get some off.
Oh, okay.
So it's still worth it.
Yeah, every little bit helps.
So one of the other things, a little bit different with this builder, not that I'm trying to sell any builder, is that the backyard is finished.
Oh, is it?
So, yep.